Welcome to ComplyRelax. In this video, we will guide you through the complete process of incorporation for both company and LLP using the software. To begin, go to the Incorporation tab from the left-hand menu. Here, you will see required options for company and LLP incorporation. Run, LLP and FILLIP are used for LLP incorporation, while SPICE is used for company incorporation. Before starting incorporation, you can use the Check Company Name option to verify whether the proposed name is already registered on MCA. Enter your proposed name and click on the search icon to verify the availability. For example, I am checking for Business Now Private Limited. Here you may see the results. If the name is unavailable, you can modify it in advance and avoid rejection later. For this demonstration, first we will see how you can prepare SPICE using ComplyRelax. Just like MCA, through ComplyRelax you can either reserve the name or directly proceed with incorporation. Click on Prepare SPICE to begin. The system will ask whether you have already reserved the name on MCA. Select Yes. Then select your MCA user ID and enter the SRN of Part A. The system will autofill details and you can just submit this data. In the main window, this entry will show along with the mini dashboard button from where you can proceed with Part B and other linked forms. If you have not reserved the name and want to start fresh, fill Part A details and submit the form using the Submit button. Proceed with the auto check and submit. After submission, SRN will be generated and the status will show as payment incomplete. You can now go to MCA and complete the payment for name reservation. Once the name is approved, click on the refresh button showing here. The system will fetch the updated status from MCA and the mini dashboard button will be enabled. You can click on the same to proceed for SPICE, Part B and linked forms such as MOA, AOA, Agile and others. Once all forms are completed, click on the Submit button and download the PDFs, then upload the forms after applying DSC. Please note, the download and upload buttons will appear only after you have submitted the form. After uploading, go to the MCA portal and complete the final incorporation payment. Here, all incorporation entries will appear in the list. You can track them as in progress, completed, rejected, or cancelled. Please note that resubmission is currently not available in the system. Each incorporation counts as per your plan limit. For example, if you have taken 25 incorporation credits, you can do 25 incorporations, including both company and LLP. SPICE Part A and Run forms are not counted towards this limit. Part B and FILLIP forms will be counted, even if they are partially filled. Duplicate entries and deleted entries will also consume credits. In the same way, you can move on to LLP Incorporation. The process is simpler and involves two forms: Run, LLP for Name Reservation, and FILLIP for Incorporation. First, file Run LLP for Name Reservation. After submission, complete the payment on MCA. Once the name is approved, proceed with the FILLIP form for incorporation. This is how you can seamlessly complete the incorporation process using ComplyRelax in a structured and error-free manner. Thank you for watching.